Last day of February. Today we're going to be building Bruce the Shark. For a neighbor of mine, I thought it was going to be an awful project, kind of boring and tedious, but it actually came out wonderful and I like it so much. But let's see how it was made. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but we're gonna try this metallic blue paint on it. Alright, so I started doodling a little bit with my black paint, started trimming the outside. I'll put the slow motion camera, or the sped up rather, version in a minute here. But I was just finishing up the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving. It's quite good, so I want to listen to it while I'm doodling. Alright, so this is how the white looks before I start painting it all black, but I'm gonna take stock for a walk and then we'll reveal this thing finished. On the rise, my DIY rope, because I keep forgetting to buy him a decent leash, but it's not a bad morning, huh? The best part of my neighborhood right here. Look at that. Landscaping, it's like living in the garden. It's lovely. These oak trees just doesn't get old. It's one of those projects that I knew it was gonna come out all right, but didn't expect to like it so much. My wife saw it and now she wants me to make another one for her office actually, because this one's for my neighbor. But Zach is here for scale. I'm gonna try to put a hat on him and see if we can keep it long enough for us to take a picture. Let me try to do it. Look too happy in that hat. Oh, but he kept it long enough. There you go. So snazzy boy. Alright, so there you go. Bruce the Shark came out excellent. Try it if you want to. I wouldn't start with that as a first project, but it's not too bad. Great success, and I'll see you next time whenever we build something. Alright, Zach, I'll take the hat off so you don't have to be so miserable. Better?